Hey, it's Bill Portnova. Hope you're having a great day. What I want to do today is tell you about our WordPress blog that we built that's to help people that are beginners to pros, intermediates, whatever it is with WordPress, how to use WordPress. What we've done is we've put together a blog that we make posts about 3 or 4 times a day, sometimes only once, but we are teaching you how to use WordPress to get the best results possible. What we've also done, if you see right here, this is myself, Bill Portnova, my partner right here, Mike Murphy. Here's the book. We just put the cover up here. Like I said, just like it says, our free WordPress guide will teach you how to use WordPress fast and easy. Here it is right here. The value of the book is $97. Probably it's a lot more than that because there was a lot of time spent into it. A lot of guides that you're going to get with WordPress are really going to be outdated. Every time there's a major update of WordPress, we're going to update the guide, okay? So you're going to be, we're in WordPress 4.9, somewhere in there, getting close to WordPress 5.0. So once 5.0 comes, we will add that into the thank you page, and you'll be able to download it. We'll keep the other versions in there, so you can download the earlier versions. But like I said, you can come on this page right here. The link will be below this video, and you'll be able to click on it and get more information to be able to download this wonderful WordPress guide that's 100% free. You just click right here, and it'll open up to a window right here, and there you go. You'll be able to fill in your name and your email address, okay? But let me go back over here real quick, all right? But what we're going to do is in this book, you're going to get a lot of information. I'm going to go over here and just show you a PDF file of what you're going to get here real quick, okay? Once you sign up for our How to Use WordPress guide, okay, here's the table of contents. You know, we updated this May of 2018, so it's extremely up to date. You're going to lose so much stuff. We're going to give you an introduction of what things are about. We're going to tell you about the login dashboard, tons of information, okay? Posts, about posts versus pages, adding your site content, adding images and other media, adding HTML links, editing existing content, deleting content. I mean, you can just see right here, talking about tags, media library, comments. I mean, tons of stuff right here. And you are getting this guide for 100% free, like I said. What you can do is make sure that you come right over here. Once you come to our page and you click on that right there, that will send you notifications of when we have new updated WordPress posts that we're teaching you different things that will help you with, WordPress security, WordPress performance, WordPress SEO, and just so much more. But what we want you to do today is we want you to make sure you get the guide today. So make sure below this video you click the link and you get a copy of our How to Use a WordPress guide. But I'm going to give you a little overview of the website here too once you actually start coming to the site and reading different information and watching the videos that we put up for you, okay? This right here is going to take you to a page where it's going to give you a lot of information on starting your first blog information. Right here on our website, this talks a lot about WordPress speed performance. This talks about right here, you'll just click on these little images, WordPress security, WordPress SEO, WordPress plugins, talk about WordPress themes, how to get your WordPress website to start making profits, and resources pages of different things that we think would be very helpful for you with your WordPress website and to move it to the next level. Again, that's a picture of me, again, Bill Portnova. Also, too, everybody knows, at least you should, about GDPR compliance. You want to make sure that you are up to date. All you have to do is click on this link right here. We've got a video that will explain everything to you about what it is, and we'll explain it all to you. The video's taking a little time here. Just watch this video. You'll learn about what GDPR means. Right here is the plugin that we are using right now, WP GDPR Fix. It's great. I'll show you the sales page right here just so you can see it. It does cost money, so understand that. You can get free versions, but if you get free versions, I'm telling you, you're going to get a free product, okay?
All right, drop.
Oops, sorry about that. you're going to get a free product that does not have any support and that's not going to help you. This is the one that we use, and right here, you can get this one right here for one site for $9.95, or you can get the pro version right here for only $67 a year. And this is unlimited websites. This is a very, very good product. You should take action on it. Like I said, we use it ourselves. I can even show you real quickly. Let me just go right here. I can show you right here. If I just go down here. I'll open it up so you can see. Let me just fill this in right here real quick so you can see it. But here it is. Very, very simple. You just go through all the steps and you just fill out all your information right here. It's so easy to set up, and a lot of the free plugins that are out there do not work well. I've tested about 10 of them, and all I got from the people that that produced the plugins was just, we're going to try to get it fixed and hopefully we'll have it soon. Well, I didn't have time just to wait around, because like I said, April 2016 is when they were letting people know that it was going to start happening, and then May of 2018 is when they said you better have your website done or you could get some serious fines for your website. So I went with the site and developers that knew what they were doing, that wanted to make sure that I was compliant, so I went with the paid version. It's worth spending the money, so take action on that, okay? So basically all I want you to do is like I said, you'll just come to our website right here below the video, click on the link right here, yes I want this, you'll be taken to this page right here, okay? Fill in your name and your email address, and we will send you an email, and you will get a verification email. Click to confirm it, and you will receive a copy of how to use WordPress free training guide that we have there. Make sure once you get the email in the next few days, you're going to get free bonuses from us, different things. We also have a free traffic plugin that we've had for about 3-4 years called WP Content Discovery. We are working on it right now to take it to the next level. We're very excited about that. You will get an email down the line about that once we know it's 100% ready to go, working with a new version of it. But we are so excited to have you as a new member, and we are ready to help you take WordPress to the next level with our How to Use WordPress guide. So make sure you download this, read it. Once you've gone through it, start going over our blog and start getting more information. Like I said, click this link right here. Subscribe. I'm already subscribed, but it will click right here and it'll say subscribe. Make sure you click subscribe, and you'll get notifications of when we send out every new post. And most of them will be videos showing you how to set things up with your WordPress blog with security and so much more. But some things will be articles with pictures and just a lot of great information for you. But we are here to help you. If you have any comments or questions, put them below this video and we will answer them as quickly as possible. So this is Bill Portnova. We'll see you on the inside. Have yourself a great day, and we're here and ready to help you have great success with your WordPress website. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.